Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and I was just bouncing around the other day, and I looked down, and I was kind of caught off guard by how many views had happened. So every so often, I live in here between the 28 days and the 90 days. And every once in a while, I go and I look at the lifetime. And I guess I was expecting the random seed method video to just keep blowing up. But to my shock, let's see, here it is. So now this is the Python Basics increment and decrement video. I guess I'm still kind of blown away by it, that this has 2006 views here, and I think up to date live counting today puts it at 2013. So that makes this video have almost 10% of my views. So I don't know, I never want to take for granted what you guys are giving me the privilege of doing. You guys are making me a better instructor. You guys are making me a better programmer. You guys are making me, you guys are giving me all these views and all these awesome comments, and like I said before, challenging me, making me explain things the best way possible. So I just never, ever want to take any of this for granted. So I always try to recognize these milestones and kind of documenting the journey too, because this is I don't know. I'm glad and I'm grateful that it still surprises me every day that you guys are spending all this time watching these videos and finding, because I mean they're getting easier to find and have a fair amount of subscribers. I know that it's not a lot compared to YouTube, but for me it's a lot, and I really appreciate you guys, and I never want you to think otherwise, and I want you to know very much so. So this is just a real quick video today, but this is an acknowledgement of a video past the 2,000 views. So just as always, guys, thanks for watching, thanks for commenting, thanks for clicking likes, and thanks for subscribing. Just thank you all the way around. So stay tuned. We'll keep going with what we're doing, and we'll see you next time, guys.